I'm a member of the City Council. I did not receive a copy of this letter. LR 68.1 does not apply to this situation because the payment had been already made and the case had been closed. I'm curious as to why the mayor felt he was empowered by us to ask for this case to be reinstated. And further, it seems as if you're functioning as the lawyer for the city. And I think it's important that we understand what went on here.
So the letter was covered by the city attorney. He sent a letter also. LR, I don't have the letter in front of me. Basically, the reason the local rule is cited is because the case had actually been closed, and based on my experiences with the federal district court, the only way to get an answer is to reinstate the case. When you file, this is more of a procedural issue. When you file these letters through the ECF PACER service, you essentially are immediately it's designated as a closed case. So the cite to LR 68.1A is simply a procedural matter to say if the court wants to hear this matter, they can reinstate the case.
68.1 only applies to a situation where a settlement has been reached, yet it has not been consummated. And for the audience, what that means is a settlement has been reached, an amount of money has been agreed to, yet that money has been held back and not supplied to the...
Local rule has nothing to do with a settlement.
That's what this law stands for, because I've spoken with lawyers about it. And so again, it's a simple question, a very simple question. You asked for information, we said no problem. You asked the court to reinstate this case. That is not what we empowered you to do.
To have the conference. The idea here was that, based on my experience with the federal district court, and I have filed a number of cases, when the city authorized me to write the letter to ask for the information I asked for, my concern was that if I didn't ask for that procedural request, they would have even entertained the letter. So that was the reason I asked for that. And you are not correct in your interpretation of local rule. Let me find it here.
No, it's not important.
You're just simply not correct.
Well, sir, that's not the first time you've been simply incorrect on legal matters either. So.
Well, we'll certainly see that in a few weeks. We will certainly see that.
Great. So, in other words, what we said and what we asked to have happen does not matter.
No, I did exactly what the city council asked me to do. I'm getting the rule up here since you've been asked. I will make sure that we don't.
So what happened at the meeting, sir?
At the meeting.